Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make text to video using Lucas AI. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on Google. That is, let me search Lucas AI video creator. So you simply need to search for that. After that you need to open the first website. So once you are in this website you simply need to sign up for free. So I'm going to log in directly to show you how you can do that. So here you are. So I'm going to click on that prompt and enter here, and here you can see that it starts generating idea and video for me. Now you can see the idea, and from here you can select the video resolution. That is video, how you need video, that is square pixel, portrait or landscape. So let's suppose I need portrait. You simply need to create video and it will take few seconds depend on your internet speed to create a video for you. And after that you can use that video anywhere and wherever you want. But let me clear that this is a paid one, so if you want to buy you can buy that video and use that video as well. So let me show you. Took some more seconds. Basically it will give us four ideas about videos. So it will show us four videos, so whatever we like we use that video in our projects or whatever purpose you are using this. So this is the best AI video creator at that time if you thinking to create videos using AI. So here you can see that four videos example. So let me turn off the music sound from here. Okay, and now you can see this video, and if you want you can buy this video as well from here. If you want you can edit this video as well. So this is the easy process by which you can make text to video using Lucas AI. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.